Yeah, get those lines out of the way. That's a big black drum right there. That's a big old fish. That's a Yankeetown black drum right there. I knew it wasn't a redfish. It's too heavy. Yeah, big old hook. Oh, big fish. Keep him off the net. That big old monster fish.
Yeah, he got to look at that net and said, I don't think so.
Get him up high.
I can't see.
You're letting him dive. You gotta go head first. Head first. Turn him into the net. Turn him into the net. Turn him.
How big did you say he was?
35. Come on, swim. You tired her out. There she goes. That's what we're here for right there.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful redfish. Nice 22-incher. Keep him off the boat. Reel down. Big
one.
Nice redfish. There he is.
No, almost got him. Turned on me
Nice
last
fish.
minute.
Catching all y'all.
Another redfish. At least they're biting now. You don't need a net for him, just fling him in. There you go. That's a big red.
I'm doing it too.
You guys both got one? Double hook up. I told you there's 50 reds in there. 2 at a time. That's pretty cool. Those are keeper fish too. Oh, that one is. 2 at a time. Another redfish.
Yeah, he's just not. He'll tell us later he's going to call it 3 Stooges.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a little guy. That's another red. Yeah, there's another keeper, it looks like. Everybody's catching them now. His is going to be borderline. I don't know if that one's going to make it. Looks like another nice one. It's like the 10th redfish already. That is a keeper. Flip him in. Give him a good hard flip toward us. Into the boat.
Knock him out.
You don't have to knock him out.
There he goes. Get him right. 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 He's way up there. Good one. That's a big red. Good fish, dude. He's out. He's out. That's a beautiful fish. That's a beautiful top slot redfish. It's like 10 in a row. Gary with another one. Too bad we gotta let them all go now.
I told my wife it would be a good day if I came home with sore wrists and it's not happening.
The redfish slayer. Another triple. 3 at a time. You yanked that sucker out of that tree. Is that a red or a snook?
See the big white belly on it.
Is this a small red? It is a red. He was all the way up in that tree. That's a nice red. Another redfish. They're still biting. Another fish.
Blue web there.
Didn't take long. We found a big ugly.
Oh, nope, don't do it.
Yeah. That's what he felt like. He literally just nibbled at it and then he took off. Where's that big fish?
He,
That's a beautiful fish. You can almost count that one as sight casting.
almost.
We saw him and then cast it to him and caught him. The only thing you didn't see is him eating it. That's a giant fish. It's a big old fish. It's a 37-incher. He's a giant.